Good morning, students. So, in business studies, we started the new chapter Social Responsibilities of Business. So, in this chapter, we finished the concept of social responsibility and what are all the case for the social responsibility and social responsibility towards the different groups of people. So, today we are going to see the next topic in this chapter, business and environment protection. Okay. So environmental pollution means injection of harmful substances into the environment. That is the greatest problem that the industries and the businessmen are creating is that of pollution, which is the result of industrial production. So we have to, there must be the protection of environment. Okay, so what is the reason of that is problem of pollution in the industries? We have to know that, no. So there is the absence of effective legal control system. So that if there is no such controlling factor in this type of industrial sectors, definitely there will be the problem of pollution, and which is mostly created in the urban areas. So if the industries are located near the agricultural area, definitely that is the wastages which is coming out from the industries will spoil the agricultural sectors. Okay. So in order to avoid this problem, the government is also taking some of the important steps to move the large industries from the urban areas. Okay, but the small and medium scale industries are still taking place and having their production activity in the urban areas. In comparing to the large scale industries, the small and medium scale industries are still having their function in the urban areas. So this is also the another important reason of creating the problem of pollution among the society. So what is the result? The result is definitely it will affect the health of the workers, the employees, and also the local residents which is occupying near the industries. Okay, so this is the introduction part of the business and environmental protection. The next one is, what are all the causes of environmental pollution? So pollution can be defined as we already studied, that is injection of harmful substances, injecting the harmful substances which is affecting the environment is called as the pollution. Okay, so first one we are going to see about the air pollution. What is air pollution? It refers to the injection of harmful substances in the atmosphere. So what is the result? So there is the lower of quality of the air we breathe. So definitely it will affect the surroundings, the atmosphere. So it is one of the serious problem. How it is how it is happening only due to the smoke and chemical chemical emitter, that is chemical substance which is coming out by the factories or some of the vehicles. So it definitely creating the hole in the ozone layer which is leading to the global warming. Okay, that is the main reason of this air pollution. The next one is water pollution. So what is my water pollution? That is, it is due to the dumping of the chemicals and other wastages into the rivers or lakes. Okay, so generally some of the industries or factories which are located near the rivers or the streams or definitely the wastages are dumping into the rivers or the lakes. Definitely it will causes the water pollution, and it also affect the animals which are living inside the rivers and lakes. Okay, the next one is land pollution. The next one is the land pollution. That is, it refers to the dumping of toxic wastages in the land which affects the fertility. Dumping of garbage and toxic wastages which is affecting the fertility of the land. That is mainly it is affecting the agricultural area. So there are two aspects of the land pollution. The first one is how to improve the quality of the land which is already damaged, and next one is how to check the contamination of the land. Okay, so in order to check the land pollution, so there is a methods of solid waste disposal are used. So they will use the solid waste disposal or used in order to check whether there is the land pollution or not. Okay, va? So the next one is we are going to see about the noise pollution. It is mainly caused by the factories and the vehicles and the industries. So it is mainly responsible for many diseases, that is violent behavior, giving the opposite reaction to the person. Due to the loss of hearing, it will definitely affect it is affecting the humans mentally and in the physically. Mental by means of disturbing the person, and it will create the opposite person to react in some other negative manner, and also it affect the individuals in the health wises. Okay, this is the noise pollution. It is also one of the causes of environmental pollution. So we have to know what is the need to control the pollution problem. So it is, we already studied, it is a serious problem and is spoiling the quality of the environment. Okay, and the air pollution is creating the breathing problem, and water is becoming, that is, it is unfit. Water due to the water pollution, it is becomes unfit. There is no use of utilizing that water for some other productivity purpose, and it also losing the fertility. So it will definitely gives problems for the agricultural sectors. Okay, so there are some of the reasons to control the pollution. So next we are going to see need for controlling the pollution. Okay, so the first one is to ensure the safety and healthy life. So due to the environmental pollution and the smoke, the visibility is reducing. I'm right. So due to the poor visibility, there are more chances of accident. Visibility means we can't able to see properly. We can't. This definitely there will be a problem in the eye contact, and it makes lot of accidents of automobiles on the highways, and also by means of having the proper safety measures to control this pollution, we can able to reduce the accident. Okay, so it will ensures the healthy life. This makes our life more healthy and safety. To control this pollution, it makes our life more healthy and safety. Okay, and next one is to ensure the safety. We already studied to ensure the safety and healthy. And next one is economic losses. What is the economic losses? See the picture. It is the pollution. What is the pollution? Air pollution. Okay, so it will makes the building totally blackening, and definitely and also it affects the production activity for the nearby industries, and also the industries which are located near that also affected, and also affecting the fertility of land. Okay, so all this loss, it is the heavy economic loss for the country. Okay, so there is one example, that is Taj Mahal is losing its beauty due to the pollution. So it is a great economic loss for our country. The next one is improve the public image. That is improving the public image. That is the firm that adopts the pollution control measures the enjoying the good reputation as a socially responsible enterprises. So if they are carrying certain measures to control the pollution in the in their industries, definitely it will create the good image among the public by having the proper responsibility about the society. Okay, so definitely it will improve the public image among the society. And next one is, what are all the role of business in the environmental protection? The first one is making use of co-friendly techniques of production. That is co-friendly and clean, that is having the low wastage of technology. So in order to reduce the wastages, the technology can be used by the industrial organization. And having the friendly, so the activities which is carried out by the industries, that should be the friendly manner, having the connection with the other firms to supply the raw materials safely from one place to the another place in a safety and proper manner, without any that is pollution problem. Okay, and recycling the industrial waste, and treating the waste through the technologies before discharging them into the water or dumping the wastage into the land. Okay, so before dumping into the land, they have to make a research on whether this industrial waste can be utilized for some other purposes by utilizing some of the technologies. Okay, and next, they have to participate in some of the co-friendly activities such as planting of trees, cleaning of rivers, etc. Okay, and some of the policies and laws which are framed by the government, policies and laws should be properly followed by that particular industrial concern in order to avoid the pollution control and in order to maintain our environment in a proper manner, in a safety manner. How it is to protect our environment? They have to follow all the policies and laws which is amended by the government. They have to work under the control of the government laws in order to control the pollution. Okay, and spreading the awareness among the general public regarding the importance of eco-friendly techniques and products. It is creating some of the programs, awareness programs, and among the employees and also among the society. What is the need? That is, the main aim is to convey the importance of the techniques, eco-friendly techniques and products. Okay, and the business houses should comply with the laws. That is, I already told, no, that is the laws and regulations which is amended by the government in order to prevent the pollution problem. And the positive steps should be taken to save the environment, that is plantation of the trees, etc. Okay, so the business ethics, this topic is deleted in this chapter, so no need to study the topic business ethics. Okay, so today we studied about the role of business in environmental protection and what are all the need for the pollution control. It is economic losses. Next one is how to ensure the safety and healthy manner, how to protect how to protect our society, and how to maintain the safety factor among the society, how to ensure the healthy life in the society. The only way is to control the pollution in a proper manner to protect our environment. Okay, so these are all the need for controlling the pollution. And we studied about what are all the causes of environmental pollution, that is the noise pollution. The next one is the land pollution and water pollution and air pollution. Okay, so in this chapter we studied about what is meant by the social responsibility of a business and what are the reasons of performing the social responsibility by the businessman to the society, and what are the social responsibility towards the different interest groups or different type of the peoples in the society, and what is meant by the environmental protection, what are the causes, and what is the role of business in the environmental protection. Okay, thank you students.